friends, welcome back to Snack Shack Recipes. Today we're gonna make clams spicy ball. For that we need clean clams. Boil the clams for 10 minutes. Remove the meat from the shell. Wash the clams again. Salt as required. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then mix it. Pour some coconut oil. Add 1 chopped onion. Add marinated clams. Put these items as mentioned and mix them well for 3 minutes. Grind them but not as a fine paste. Pour some filter the clams boiled water. Add rice powder in the grinded mixture. Fill the dough with masala. Roll it and make balls. Steam the clams balls for 15 or 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, clams ball is ready. Check if it's not sticky. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Whoever wants spicy ball masala can follow these steps. Put the balls in the masala and mix it very well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Pour some coconut oil. Slightly fry the clams balls. Clam spicy ball is ready. We can eat this in 2 ways, spicy or non-spicy. Thank you for watching. Bye.